Let's take a look at this Nespresso descaling solution. This is a universal solution that will work with any Nespresso machine. This kit includes 2 packets and an instruction booklet. Each packet allows you to descale your machine once. So you can descale your machine 2 times with this kit. The booklet does not contain any information itself. All it does is it guides you to the website which tells you how to do the descaling for your specific model. You simply have to visit nespresso.com/descaling. Choose the machine you are trying to descale, and it will give you a step-by-step directions on how to do it. My machine is the Essenza Mini. The rest of this video will guide you on how to descale this particular machine. So let's get started. First, plug in your machine. Then press the large cup button to turn it on. Wait until both lights have stopped flashing. Open the top lever and make sure you have no pods inside. Open the pod disposal area and make sure there are no pods inside and there is no water inside. Then place a cup underneath the machine. Go ahead and open one of the descaling solution packets. Pour it into the water holder. And fill the rest of it with plain water to the max line. Place the water holder back onto the machine. And press and hold both buttons on the top simultaneously for 5 seconds. This puts it into the descaling mode. You'll see both lights flashing. That means that it is now in descaling mode. When ready, go ahead and press the large cup button once. This will start running all the solution through the machine and into your cup. If you don't have a large enough cup, you might have to switch it with the new cup really quickly as the solution is running through it. Once all the solution has poured through the machine, go ahead and pour it back into the water holder. You're going to run it through the second time. When you're done, go ahead and rinse out the water holder. Make sure it's nice and clean before you put any water in it. Now we're going to pour clean water into the water holder. Your machine should still be in descaling mode. Go ahead and place a cup underneath and press the large button again. This will run clean water through the machine and into the cups. You're going to do this 3 times. Don't reuse the same water. Always pour new water into the water holder each time. We are finally done. Go ahead and press the 2 buttons on the top simultaneously for 5 seconds. They should eventually stop flashing and put your machine back into normal mode. And that's it, you're done. Well, almost. It is recommended that you get a damp cloth and completely wipe your machine. Just in case any descaling solution has splashed onto the machine, it is corrosive and it may damage your machine if you don't wipe it off. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you like to buy this descaling kit, please see the link in the description of this video or in the comments. Thanks for watching.